Hello everyone. This is my bird friend. I just met him. He's breathing. He's living. It's just being a bird. Oh, this is some abnormal ass shit. You good, bro? If I go over here, you gonna look over here? Oh shit, he is. What's up, man? What's up, homie? You need some help? I'm gonna move him. I don't know what to do. I feel like I should move him. What are you doing out here? Freaking me out. That's what you're doing. Flashlight, see? I told you it was a bird. You look hurt or some shit. You don't look hurt. Just look like you're chilling. What are you doing? What's up with you?